Hey, it's Digby. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Unhurried Productivity Diagnostic. The purpose of this tool is to help you stay unhurriedly productive by understanding how to be in each of the blue quadrants while minimizing the amount of time you spend in the red ones. All of the blue quadrants are good in their own way. They're all useful. And the trick is really to know, well, how do you be at your best in each one? And then how do you know when and how to move between them? Because it's really a dynamic that's going on when you're being unhurried productive. You're not just on all the time, you're not just off all the time. And this tool helps you raise awareness about how you're being over the course of a week in each of these areas. What do you do when you're there? How do you feel? And then how do you move between them? It's very much about how you roll with this sort of stuff. So, what do? So, you print this off, click the link below just to get a download of this. And then each day, at the end of each day, just spend a few minutes reflecting on your day and then completing how much percentage of time did you spend in each of the 8 areas, the blue and the red. You don't have to be super accurate. Just go with your gut feel. How much percentage of time did you spend in each of the areas? And then just at the end of each row for each day, there is a little couple other questions. One is, so how unhurried did you feel today? Another one is, how productive do you feel today? And then there's the Goldilocks question. How right did it feel in the way you spent your time today? How good or right did it feel? It's all subjective. It's all just down to you. And if you do that each day for a week, at the end of the week, you'll get a link to a short questionnaire that will help you reflect on your week and make sense of what were the habits, activities, behaviors, things that triggered you and enabled you to be in each of the quadrants. That's it. By completing this for a week, you'll get a really good sense of how you roll, and that will help you stay more unhurriedly productive. Go well and enjoy. See ya.